Hi, good morning. My name is Elisa P. Macarujo. I'm 47 years old, married with 5 kids from Philippines. I'm working before as domestic worker in Saudi Arabia since 2019 to 2022. And I'm working at UAE since 2022 to 2024 with 9 members of the family. 1 couple and 7 children. They are 16 years old, 14 years old, 12 years old, 10 years old, 7 years old, and newborn twin babies. My responsibilities and duties are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, wash the dishes, prepare foods, and taking care of the babies. My future employer, please hire me because I'm honest, kind, trustworthy, and long patient. I promise I do my best and I treat your child like my own children. And I promise I finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.